it's Sue here. Welcome back to my channel. Yay! Today I have a very, very special guest here with me. Please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, it's Uni Sue in the house. Woo! Sue is here and Uni is here. So glad to see everybody. I'm so excited and
Introduce yourself. What?
my name is EuniUnni, aka Eunice, and I'm so happy to be here today.
Yay! So for today's video, we have something very special and fun. It is the autumn season. We have the autumn season approaching, and we thought it would be fun to go shopping, skincare shopping. So we went shopping at Olivia. So we flexed with our credit card.
Flex.
You
Flex.
stop.
Flex.
Stop.
Flex.
아 놀랐어 진심. 표정 관리 안 됐어 순간. Anyways, and so we're gonna share with you guys what we got. Yay! So the first product that I bought is the Cellapy A.Repair oil toner set. So we both tested the formula out and we were like intrigued. We got hooked.
We're
right?
like, wow, what the frick is this?
Yeah. So it looks just like a nice syrupy toner, but the thing is, once you like put it on your hands, it's watery but oily.
It's so weird.
Yeah, it's so weird. It's like
It's non-greasy, but
Yeah.
it's very hydrating. But you could feel the moisture and the oil too.
but it's not oily.
Oh.
we're so good at explaining.
Yeah.
But it's like a formula that I never encountered before, right?
And it felt really nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it absorbs right away without. It leaves a nice moisturized residue.
Yeah.
But my skin just soaked it right up.
Same. I think it feels almost like a serum.
Yeah.
But it's just so nice on the skin. I would love to slap it on as like the first product after I wash my face.
Yes.
So.
It is like a serum, but the finish is so much lighter.
Yeah. And it says it's for dry and sensitive skin.
Yes.
So.
I have dry skin now, guys. I still sweat a lot.
Right.
Yeah.
She sweats.
Still sweats. Oh, so this has jojoba seed oil, which is great for your skin barrier. It has panthenol, which I love. It's one of my favorite ingredients. It also has EGF, which helps recover any sensitized skin. So it does have scent though.
It does,
right?
But I don't think it's an artificial scent. So.
No, it's very subtle. Ooh! And they actually give 2 masks.
Oh my god, that's mine.
하나
내 거지. Alright, so we're gonna move on to the first product, and this is
Oh my gosh. I'm so curious about this product too.
Yeah, so this is Laneige Radiance C Cream Even Tone Brightening and Moisturizing.
That's such a long name.
I don't know what the name is, but
this is why I always have problems memorizing names. It's so long.
I honestly really fell in love with all the freebies. The samples.
She's hooked.
Yeah, I'm just
She's hooked on this.
The samples.
It's so cute. I think this is a collab between like Brunch Brother. It says Brunch Brother. It's like a character, and they made a special edition.
And this, it had a little graph that said like, this is good for brightening care.
For 잡티?
Like blemishes, like dark spots. Hyperpigmentation. Ooh, oh wow, it looks
packaging
really
is
fancy.
so sleek.
Dun, 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 dun.
Right?
Wow, it looks pretty fancy.
Fashish 무게 있어요. Like it's heavy.
It's heavy. The packaging feels very fancy.
Very luxurious.
Oh, and then this is, I guess, the collaboration. I don't know who they are. They're adorable.
Ooh. It's actually not as heavy.
Oh, I thought it would be much heavier, huh?
But you can definitely also feel the occlusiveness. Like,
it smells good. It has like a very
citrusy,
orangey type of scent. I like the fact that it's kind of heavy because I thought it would be lighter. But for autumn, this is perfect.
This is perfect.
I need something for my dark spots as well, so I think this will be a perfect cream. Ooh, I like the texture.
Yeah, me too. And the scent is kind of addicting. I keep on smelling it.
That's why I like citrusy scents.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to share with you guys my next product. It is the Embryolisse. I'm butchering it, but it's French. So basically this is a lotion cream, and I was so curious about this because I've seen so many makeup artists rave about it. They said it's like the perfect cream or like product to apply before you actually apply base product.
Right.
And so I was really curious, and I saw that they have it at Olivia and it's on sale.
Right, it was on sale. It was pretty expensive still, right? But
yeah.
But I
It
think
was-
it's worth it.
It was 이만원대, so like in the 20,000 won
Yeah.
range.
And I think it's really necessary these days because even this morning, right, I put on my BB cream and then I had to get a toner and cotton pad and wipe some off because, you know,
yeah.
because of my pesky dead skin cells,
Yeah.
there's like, you see it. It's
Yeah,
autumn,
it's
you know?
rough.
It's rough. It's rough.
So this is all in French, so I have no idea what it means. I think this is Lait means milk.
Creme.
Yeah, milk cream concentrate.
Oh. We know.
We know French. Voulez-vous coucher avec moi, right?
C'est moi.
So we actually was able to test it out in the store, and we both like, wow, this actually feels great.
Right.
And that's saying a lot because we tested a lot of products.
Today was fun.
Today was fun.
So fun. We were going crazy though. We're like, oh my gosh,
Yeah.
everything's on sale.
I
So-
know. But like its name, it's like a milk cream.
Yeah.
I'd say it's like a combination of lotion and cream.
Yeah.
So to be honest, before your makeup, this one product I feel like is sufficient.
For everything.
Yeah, for
sure.
everything. You don't need to layer too many like skincare products because that's one of the reasons why your makeup doesn't settle well.
I
is
didn't
you get
know
the
that.
lotion book. Oh my gosh, this feels amazing.
How does it feel? Let's. Oh.
Right?
Yeah.
You definitely feel that oiliness, but it like seeps right in.
It does.
Yeah.
Yeah. The absorption rate is amazing.
It's really fast considering we already like applied like, a
Everything.
bunch of products
Yeah.
before.
And you're right, like the oil content is really high, but it doesn't feel bad at all.
Yeah.
I think it's perfect.
It feels like my makeup's gonna settle well so much better with
Yeah.
this on. Alright, let's look at your next
Okay,
product.
so the next one that I'm gonna talk about is this one.
Oh!
Dun, da, da,
We're
da.
so excited for this one.
Exactly. So,
Sorry,
Oh,
sorry.
Go ahead.
I cut you off, but look at the freebies.
I think this is another product that we first saw and we're like, what is this? And then we tried it, we're like, let's get this. So we were so excited about this. So can you pronounce the name? Because I don't know how to pronounce it.
So it's the Pycnogenol Ampoule Sun.
So this one, the main marketing thing was it applies like you're applying an ampoule,
That's
but it's a
right.
sunscreen.
Yeah.
So we're like, what?
Yeah, at first we didn't know what it was. We were like, is this a sun cream or
is
an
it
ampoule? Yeah.
And then I didn't know this, but Sue let me know that
Yeah.
you have to shake 3 to 5 times before
Yes.
you use it. So I guess it is kind
I'm
of
sweating.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
I thought I spit it at you.
No.
You can kind of hear it.
Yeah, it's the content is very watery. Like
Yeah,
you said.
and I think it kind of maybe divides, so you should definitely shake
yes.
before.
The filters and like the watery content maybe it
yeah.
gets separated. And I think this is perfect for the wintry, like colder seasons.
Yeah, especially because you know we're talking about dead skin cells a lot, but
Yeah.
sometimes your sunscreen that used to go on flawlessly won't go on. You'll
No.
see like the white cast even
Yeah.
more, and it'll be so flaky and cakey. Oh, but my hands are wet.
She's like spending 1 hour trying to get this open.
Okay.
Oh, it's fancy packaging.
I
back
know,
there.
right? Okay, let me give you a little bit.
Okay, little bit, okay.
And it has like a beige color to it.
Yeah,
Almost like
it's
a
so-
tinted moisturizer when
Yeah.
you first look at it, right?
So watery, guys, so watery. It actually has that slippery silicone like feel to it.
It does.
Right?
And when you first apply everything, I was like, hey, the finish is kind of oily, but it's not oily, it's just that it's so wet.
Yeah.
It's like a ample.
Yeah, exactly. But no white cast.
No white cast.
It
no white
blends out
cast.
really well. I'm so excited for this.
Yeah, I
I
think-
want this now. I should have
Oh, yeah?
gotten this.
I think we should trade a little bit.
Yeah. So this is of course the Wellage Real Hyaluronic One Day Kit. We not only shop for things for autumn, but we also stocked up on stuff. We live.
For sure, because it was on sale.
That's right.
Oh.
And these are a bit pricey.
Yeah,
Let me
yeah.
just say that much.
Oh.
But I do love using this.
Oh.
I read about it so many times.
And surprisingly, I told Sue, I was like, babe, I've never tried it. And then Sue's like, 언니, you never tried it? She was like kind of mad. She's like, you should definitely try this
This
product.
is for you.
Oh, thank you, baby.
This is for you.
People who give you skincare, they're the best.
Cry. 빨리.
I
Cry. Basically, it's a really concentrated hyaluronic serum. But you can also use it as like a sleeping mask.
Right.
I personally like to use this as a serum. So basically what you have is a ball of concentrated hyaluronic
Right.
capsule. And you have this little blue essence solution and you mix it together. And there's something like fresh about making that concoction, like mixing it right on the spot. And I do think it's kind of placebo, but I enjoy it. All right, let's check out what EuniUnni got next.
Okay, so I put my hair down for this. Dun 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 dun. So okay, so this is something that I always stock up on too.
Oh yeah.
Okay, and I love this with a passion.
Oh.
So this is Dr. Jart's Correcting Solution, and I have really sensitive skin, but I do have like pesky dead skin cells often, and it's really a challenge for me to be able to remove them gently. So I love enzymes and things like that, but sometimes it just doesn't do the job as much as I want it to. Yeah. So this one is such a gentle product that you can use to remove dead skin cells, and I love it. I always stock up on this. And when I first tried it, it was gifted by Dr. Jart, but after I bought it with my own money from Olive Young.
That's right.
It's 4,000원 for 4,000 won, but
For
it's
one?
for one.
That's expensive.
Yeah, but always when it's on sale, it's 2,000 won. They never go below that. Never ever go below that.
Actually,
Yeah, won.
you did get me this last time.
Yeah, wait, and it's fun because you have like the bubbly. It starts bubbling up, and you just touch it and you play with it, and then bubbles up again, and they just leave it, and you take it off, and you just put on your cream or oil, and then you're done.
Damn, that sounds good.
It's fun too. So
it has the black charcoal that helps pull out the gunk, huh?
Yeah.
So this is one that you stuck up on, eh?
yeah, this is something I always stock up on. Like 꼭 있어야 돼.
Okay.
꼭!
Okay.
Or I feel like nervous without it. So.
All right, for the fourth product, we're gonna show it together. You'll see why, okay? 1, 2, 3, ta-da! We got the same product. This is the CMP Laboratory Anti-Pore Blackhead Clear Kit. I have mentioned in my videos that I did use it a long time ago, but back then I didn't know how to use it. I was a fool back then. But EuniUnni right here, this wonderful person, she was the one who told me that you have to leave it on for at least 30 minutes.
Yeah, the directions tell you to leave it on for like 10 to 15.
No.
But if you put it on for a little bit longer, it really gets the job done. So if you do have pores, like for example, like if you use the volcanic mask, it's great, right? Everything, your skin feels great. But you could see still the blackheads. It's more ready to come out, but it didn't necessarily remove it, right? So it frustrates you. You're like, what the freak? Everything else is good in the hood, but here it's like you're not done, right? Then you take this out, and it really gets the job done. So if you have pesky blackheads, this is such a great way. But I always mention this. You have to use a Q-tip to like gently remove the blackheads.
Yeah.
So if you're too rough with it, then you might as well not use it.
Oh, really?
Because you don't want to irritate. Reaction 좋은데. Rolling.
No, because I'm just like, I must get every gunk out. I'm so concentrated. I'm so focused.
Same.
Yeah.
It's so gross but satisfying, huh?
Yeah.
You can see it coming out with the black Q-tip, like everything rolling out, but don't be too harsh with it. You know?
And last, of course, for the extra special skincare, we always love to buy sheet mask.
Yay!
I actually only got one. I was seduced at the counter.
always when you're standing in line.
So there was a couple of things, and I've used this before, and I really do like using this. And that's just why I just picked up one. I was like, might as well, you know.
This one's so popular.
It is. But I will say, I don't think all the hype is just bubble. I think it's actually great to use. I haven't actually tried it when I had acne, so I don't know how like calming it is. But it was really hydrating. I like the amount of essence it had, and I like the sheet. It was pretty lightweight, non-irritating. So I just picked one up. Oh, this is the Mediheal.
Yeah, I was like, what's the name of it? Say the name.
This is the Mediheal Teatree Care Solution Essential Mask, by the way.
Yeah, by the way. So, I wanted to buy a lot of sheet masks because it's just like oh my gosh, sheet mask section, you can go crazy over there because everything's so much cheaper. It's like $1, $2. So you can go crazy, but I refrain myself today. So these two. This one was Sue's recommendation, and you said that this is really great for, what is it?
So this product that you see on the sheet mask is great for calming down any like zits, pimples.
Right.
It's not as effective with like cystic, huge pustule acne, but it's great for just calming down any like pimples. So this sheet mask is full of the essence that's in this product.
Right.
So I recommend it to EuniUnni.
Yeah, so this is Isoi first Speedy mask, and I've always seen this, and I did want to try it. This was pretty expensive. It was like $4 or $5, but on sale it was $3. So, yes, I was like, are you sure it's worth that? But it's just
That's expensive.
It is, but that's why I was really excited because I do feel like during the autumn season, I do get more whiteheads because, my skin, I feel like I'm okay, but I guess it's still dry. Yeah. So I think this will be a great one for me to test out. And then this one as well, I got it because, she made me buy it. Okay, so Sue told me that the Noni Ampoule Mask from Celimax is really good, right?
It's good. It's really hydrating.
Yeah, so I was just really curious as well, but I said, okay, so why not try the Ampoule Mask first because it's cheaper, and then I'll try the serum itself. You know, sometimes like it's not exactly the same what's in the ampoule and the serum, but still I wanted to kind of try this first.
Alright guys, that was it for the haul. Thanks for watching and hanging out with us. Don't forget, in a couple of days we're going to be filming another video for EuniUnni's channel.
That's right.
So go check that out. I'll leave the link once it's out.
Guys, and please come on over to my channel as well. We'll leave my address in the description below, so come on and
go subscribe to EuniUnni,
Subscribe.
alright?
Okay.
Don't forget to press like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Ciao! Ciao!
You blow kisses.
Welcome to my Chanel!
No, it's the end.